So yeah, here's the plant. Tall, forky. I let one side shoot keep going there. Had flowers already. So it did put on a few peppers. Uh, as but the the first I had to I had to cover this one to get one right because the blackbirds are on them, and I don't know. It's something with the dark peppers where the blackbirds love to peck them, and I've been waiting. As soon as it gets ripe, some even before ripe or lost to the blackbirds. Um, yeah, so here's one. I'm finally gonna taste, and they're still. Look at that. It's still not fully ripe. Yep. Yeah, it needs just a little more. I think I'm gonna wait for it. Let's put the bag back on it. And the other two plants are here. Again, really forky, leggy. They were never topped, so that's, you know, this kind of plant needs to be topped a few times, maybe three or four. A lot of guys in the groups say that overwintered, they're really nice, a little further along. Guess it takes a while for them to get going. Here it is, the Orion Pepper. Uh, Very pretty to look at, kind of scary. Looks like smoldering ambers. Really cool and beautiful, but like I said, the plants were like really forky. It just reminds me of those boot night crosses. Usually have colors like these, and people say it tastes like crap. Well, got some seeds from Bear, which got a pod from Farmer J. I think it was last season, and he sent me some seeds. I grew 3 plants, but it's yeah, the plants. I mean, I'm not gonna blame it all on genetics and stuff because I did put them out like really late. So I would recommend topping a pepper like this 3 or 4 times at least to get them to grow out probably the way you want. And yeah, let's see how it tastes. I mean, remember, all, you know, the pepper tasting not exactly how you want fresh is probably not, you can make it work on other things, sauces or powder or whatever. So, tasting a fresh super hot that you don't like the taste doesn't necessarily rule it out of growing. Like, hey, let's cut it open. Let's see what's up. Beautiful. It really looks delicious to me. So all right, let's see what it looks like. This awesome cutting board was a gift from Mike Chicharron. He's usually over on Reddit. Discord, and he's also on YouTube. A good friend of mine, he's visited. He's in a couple of reviews. Here's the cut open. Let's see if that. There you go. The seeds don't look like super good, but yeah, there's some good seeds. If you want to grow this, comment seeds, and I'll pick a few winners to send some seeds to. Yeah, this beautiful pepper, man. It looks like a lit piece of charcoal. All right, let's see how it tastes. All right. It kind of smells sweet. It smells hot. It smells a bit sweet. I'm gonna bite this side. This side has some of the bad seeds. There's enough. I see enough good seeds to save. Let me get some of the end here, so my bite won't take any seeds. All right. Oh, I just touched. Shit. Smells good. Has a clean, super hot smell. Smells hot with a bit of sweetness. All right. Here we go. It's not a horrible taste. Oh shit. It does not taste like booty hole. I thought the taste wasn't bad. It's a bit fruity. It's not. It doesn't go bitter. It's not super floral. It's freaking hot. Ooh, that escalated fast. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, that was hot. That is. Oh, shit. Oh, man. That's freaking hot. Oh, man. Whew. I probably bit more of that than I should have. Oh, shit, that's hot. Oh. All right. I think I'm gonna go upstairs and get ice cream. There you have it. The heat made me forget the name of this thing. Freaking Orion Pepper. Whew. Not exactly booty hole. Oh, I suck. Oh, that is burning me up. It was a little more than half, as you can see. But, damn, that's hot. Oh. I gotta go. Comment seeds for a chance to win them. Thanks for watching. Oh, man. See you next one. Wow.